no solo. If you know, you know. If you don't know, go check out my other videos so you know. Today we're opening up some amiibo cards, and again we're doing series 3. And you know why we're doing series 3? Because we are after Mary, okay? My absolute truest true Dreamy. It is so hard to get her in an actual villager hunt, so we need to try and get her amiibo cards. And if you've seen the last videos, which you should have, you'll know that we have quite a lot of series 3 villagers, and yet no Mary, no Lily, and who else was it? Marina. There's a lot that we need still, but we all know that Mary is my absolute Dreamy, so make sure you give the subscribe button some bells, and let's just jump into it. Also, okay, so I went to EB Games and I got these, and unfortunately whoever put the stickers on the series 3 stickered them wrong and put the series 3 stickers on the series 2 stickers. So I bought them as I'm walking. I'm like, these should be blue. Like, it should be blue. And I like kind of peeled back the sticker, and obviously I had the series 3, and I was like, so I went back. I was like, hi. It was more awkward because I had a really good conversation with the worker as well. So it was like awkward being like, I'm back. But it got it all sorted. We returned it, got it sorted. Mac. I'm not sure if I have Mac, or please be Mary. Ooh, Cody. I feel like I have Cody. I'm not 100% sure. And please, please, please be the Isabella with the, ooh, what's it called? I forget what it's called, but oh my goodness, we got it. Oh my goodness, what is it? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna fall. Okay, what is her? Kimono. The kimono. Thank you. Animal Crossing amiibo card gods. Oh, okay, so we got a card I really wanted. I'm so happy. So this will be me for the next like 10 minutes. Like, woo! Oh, I have a good feeling now. I have a good feeling that we may get Mary. Mary, could you imagine? Oh no, not Mary, but Sylphor. I feel like I have this one. Oh, I don't think I have Velma, but still okay. And then, ooh, do I have Grams? I'm just gonna have a little peeky peek now. I don't, oh my goodness, we've done so well. Third pack, we have one more after this. It's still very frightening cutting the tops of them because I don't want to get the actual cards. Let's see, please be Mary, because that would just like make my heart so happy. Like, you know, just, we got Boomer. Oh my gosh, what a Boomer. And then Hans, but no solo. And then we got Jingles, a very cool card to get, but I already have it. And then this is the final and last one, so let's see. Please be Mary, like or Lily or Marina, but I really want Mary. I want her so badly. Please, I should have just like brought, okay, I say like I should have just brought the whole, like all of them, but I don't have the money for that, so let's, is it Mary? Please tell me it's Mary. Everyone, is it Mary? Tell me why I got excited. I think I have Ava. And then I think I have Mitzi as well. And I have that card too. The verdict is in, everyone. I just lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 5 double ups, okay, which Jingles is very cool, I will admit. It's nice to get him again. I feel like he'll be very good with the trading, and that means we got, and I forgot to count this one, 7 non-double ups, which is amazing. In our last haul we had like so many double ups, and I cried my eyes to sleep. And this one we got a really good haul. I'm really happy that we only need 2 more of these special villages, and then we've completed all the non-villager. What are they called? What are these? The SPs? I don't, special privileges? I don't know. That means that we just need 2 more, then we've completed all of that section, and then we just need the actual villages. I am so happy that we have Mitzi, because we actually didn't have this one, and I love the cats. I want to have an all-cat island, so getting all the cats, and she is a good cat. Very nice. And yeah, I can't believe we got the Isabel kimono, because that was like, oh, I was really wanting her the absolute most, and we got her, and I'm so happy. Now we still need Mary, Lily, and Marina. We also need Felicity, who's not in series 3, but we still need her. So yeah, that's back to the EB games. Gotta go broken all these games. I'm already broke. Can't get broke if you're already broke. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Be responsible with your money because I certainly am not. And I'll see you in the next one. Give some bells to the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. How happy on a scale of 1 to 10 that we got the kimono Isabella. Leave a scale, not a 10. Mine's obviously going to be 10. I'll see you all in the next one. Be safe, everyone. Bye!